It's Tyler Meir with TMM Capital Advisory. Today I have Deepak Varshney of Usha Resources with me. Deepak, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Tyler. I'm a geologist. I've been doing this for over a decade. Come from a family who's been involved in the capital markets for a very long time. Of course, my uncle Harry, people know from Varshney Capital, founded it. He's been in the 80s. I think Usha is the latest evolution in that where you tie the two things together.
Okay, awesome. So do you want to tell us a little bit about Usha Resources and what kind of vision you have for the company heading into 2022?
Yeah, so Usha was, we went public in December 2019, have a really great nickel resource that we've done some drilling on, excited to go back to. And starting from there, we've just been growing for the last 2 years. We've acquired an asset in Arizona, or trying to acquire an asset right now in Montana. And we've just been growing since we started because, we want to be a story people get behind. They see our projects, see our potential, and, they've been following along, whether we started at 2 million, now we're at 5, and I see us going to 20, 25, 30 in the near future, I hope.
Yeah, that would be awesome. You're definitely, at that beginning stage. So I think there's a lot of upside potential that we had still. So tell us a little bit about what you like about Usha and what you think will bring some more retail and institutional investors to the name.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you got to start with your assets. If you don't have anything in your company worth investing in, it's just, what's the point? And I think we've got really 2 really good projects that we've already, done some work on, and we're acquiring a third one, which is bang up, right? So as already mentioned, we have a nickel asset in Ontario. It's got a historic resource that we're going to go back and work on. Nickel's a strategic metal. It's declared that recently. So I think it's something that's really exciting. People are looking into now as moving to 2022. And, the same with our, we have a gold copper play in Arizona, which I think is, we're just getting started on. Really excited to go back and do some drilling here in early 2022. And then on top of that, we've got this Montana property, which is further along, over 10,000 meters of drilling, 9 targets, never been tested before. We're able to, very quickly, I think, get to a drill program on that project. And, really excited by these properties because they really, without something like this in your company, it's not going to go anywhere, right? And then behind all that, of course, we've got what I think is like a very pristine share structure. Management's been involved every step of the way in this company. We're involved in every financing. We've been involved in open market buying because we really believe we need to be in the boat with you, so to speak. So for us, it's really important. And so I think that's very unique because we have 30% of the stock owned by management in this deal. And we've also had a lot of anchor shareholders who've been coming along with us from the start. Same thing. They invested at 10, 20. Now we've got financing going on. They've invested at 30 cents. And so when you put it all together, I'd say about 85% of the stock is owned by people with the same long-term vision for this company.
Awesome. Yeah, that's great. And I've actually noticed that, yourself and a few directors have been scooping shares off the open market in this 35-cent range. So looks like.
Yeah, for sure. I think it's a great price. So that's why I've been buying.
Yeah, for sure. Awesome. Well, I think that pretty well covers what we're going to talk about today. So thanks a lot for coming on, and look forward to hearing more about the Usha Resource story.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Tyler. Take care.
Yeah.